everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for a rainbow neon coloring. So neon colorings have been going around a lot, and especially rainbow neon colorings, so I decided to do a tutorial on it. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go on to 24 FPS. And I heard it's on Android, so I'm pretty sure you guys can do this on Android. And what you're going to do is you are going to import your video. Then you are going to go on filters, and I'll put the filter up on the screen so you can go ahead and use it. Then you're going to tap on the video, click on these three lines, and I will put the photo of the adjustment so you can go ahead and use them. And then you're going to save this video. So after it's saved, you are going to go back onto 24 FPS, so discard this video, and then choose the video you just added filters on. Go on to adjust once again, and I'll put the photo of the settings up again so you can go ahead and use these new settings. It's going to look something like this. I know it looks very weird, but you're going to save this to your camera roll, and then you're going to go on to precool. So for precool, what I will do is I will put the settings up on the screen. So here's how it should look like after you save the video. So I'm going to quickly go onto Avant, and I'm going to add text, and I will just show you guys how it will look. So you can obviously use your own theme, but I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to use this text real quick just to show you guys how it's supposed to look with text. So just give me 1 second. So you can obviously use a more detailed theme, and I'm just going to take this to CapCut to put a quality filter. So we're going to go into adjust, go into sharpen, put sharpen to 100, and it should look something like this. So then you're going to save this video, and this can be done on Android because we don't use Video Star for this, so I'm hoping Android users can also use this coloring. And here's how it's going to look in the end. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't give coloring credits to me. I put that in the beginning whose coloring this is, so please give them credits. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!